Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I measure water head. I use this altimeter, digital altimeter. You can find them also analog altimeters. And what is good about these ones is that it measures height levels, height differences from uh, atmospheric pressure. It's not like GPS that measures the heights by by cartography, like maps and data from the waypoint that you're marking. This one works with the weather, so it's important to use it when you have a stable weather. If it's changing too much, you might have some error in your measurings. So it's important you have a nice day, or you can measure it many times. I don't know, 5 times, so you're sure that you're getting a good measurings. They're pretty cheap. Find it on the internet, pretty cheap. I think that this one costs $10, something like that. So it's pretty cheap for the utility that it has. It's really useful. So now I'm going to mark the zero. This is a place where I need the zero to make a to capture the difference. So we put it in zero, like this. So it shows you now the zero. This is my 0 point. The weather is not that stable today. It's going to change a little. You might have 1 meter of difference in error. So you want to do this quick. So if you measure the your 0 point now, you must do it in the minutes that you need to measure it. You go fast where the second point is, otherwise it's going to change maybe too much. So there you can find the pressure barometer. So then you have your 0 point, or your height that so if you go up, it's going to show you 1 meter. Go down, -1. So going up, now I'm going to go uphill, so it's going to give me positive numbers. If I went downhill, it would give me negative numbers. So so I told you there's that, and also you have a height like from the ocean level. So here I'm 170 meters from the sea, from the sea level. But that's not what I need. I need I need this one, my 0. Okay, here we go. So as I go up, the height starts climbing. I'm climbing to 4 meters from my 0, and keeps going up. So to be sure, what I do, just measure in one way and then in the other way. So when I go up, I measure and then I put my 0 again, and I go back down again, so I can have the correction if I need to correct my numbers. So I'm getting back to the place. I have maybe 3 meters of difference. So, but the weather it's not that good today, not that stable. So yeah, we have some troubles in the measurings. Like 5 or 6 meters is too much. So I'm going to put in 0 again. I go again. Okay, let's go. So it works pretty good for ram pumps, bungee pumps, hydroelectric projects, or just for bringing water to your homestead. It works pretty good when you need to use gravity and pressure, where to put your water tank. It's really useful, and as I told you, it's really cheap. And well, in my channel you can find also all the projects where I used it, so you can subscribe to my channel, and you can keep watching the advices and errors that I make, so you don't have to pass through it. It's really nice to be able to share a little bit of what I do here and my projects. So if you subscribe, you help my channel to grow and to go to more people that it's planning or doing hydraulic projects. Okay, here I can show you the difference between a GPS. It tells me that we are at 242 meters from the sea level in here, and this one is it works from the barometer, so air pressure, atmospheric pressure. So this one is 183, this one 242. I don't know about this one or this one, at which height we are right now. This one it varies from the air pressure, so it's gonna keep changing along the day. But what is good about this one in accidented geography, like a really steep hills or highly places, you see this changing. With weather, where good weather, you can get a stable. That's the pressure right now, so it's constantly changing. But you can have the as I showed you before, the zero. So with this one, you can measure differences. With this one, I have tried it in places like this, and it shows you differences that are not quite right. It doesn't see the creeks, so in this cartography you cannot, what is based from, you cannot find the creeks as in Google Earth. Also, if you find the point, it's not going to tell you a good height. It's going to be like that, but in creeks it's way deeper, so it doesn't you cannot find the precision height. But with this one, it's really cheap and really easy to use, and it's verifiable if you use it in good weather conditions.